Hi there! Today we are covering our 1991 Jeep Grand Wagoneer Spinnaker Blue. Freshly restored, 700 miles on the ticker since restoration. Everything brand new on this car. We've covered this car extensively in other chapters. Beautiful, beautiful car. Better than what it was when it came out of factory. Treated, sandblasted, galvanized, powder coated frame, sandblasted, metallized body, will never rust again. New engine, new transmission. 832-475-1822, info@jeepheritage.com. We have 2 more of these ongoing. Feel free to contact us. Take care.